what's it 2020? That is NOVDEC question number 12A. Now we are being told that PQ is parallel to RS, and then angle TRS, that is angle TRS, is 38 degrees, and then TPQ is 32 degrees. So the angle over here is just 32 degrees. We should find the value of the angle marked M. Now, clearly, if this, so we have in the question, I would advise you in the answer sheet, please do redraw. So here, PQ is parallel to RS. Don't forget the arrows should be on it. Clearly, we can extend this line. We know this is T, the side here T. We can extend this line because it becomes a transversal. So let's extend this line. Let's use short dashes. So clearly, if RS is parallel to PQ and this is a transversal, then the angle here alternates to the angle over here. So this side is 32 degrees. So what can we see? We can see that since PQ is parallel to RS, let me name here A. Clearly, angle TPQ is equal to TAR, and this is the same as 32 degrees. So this angle is the same as that angle. Now what can we see? We can see triangle that is TRA. Now in a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180. So what can we see? 38 degrees plus 32 degrees plus M equal to 180 degrees. Now what is 38 plus 32? And this is just 70 degrees plus M equal to 180 degrees. We want to find M, so this has to go to the other side, grouping like terms. So we have our M to be equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So 180 minus 70, and this is 110 degrees. Very, very trivial. Nonetheless, you can also say that, or probably if you didn't see that, this one too is a transversal, so we can extend. Let's name here probably M. Now, the angle here alternates to the angle here. So the angle here is what? 38 degrees. Now, when we extend this, we can see that this is vertically opposite. The angle here is vertically opposite to this. So this one is also what? M. So this plus this equal to 180 degrees. And then you'll be able to find your value of M. Very, very easy. Don't forget to subscribe and then also share the videos to your friends. NOVDEC 2020, question number 12B. A two-digit number less than 30 is written down at random. Find the probability that a number selected will be, I says a prime, and then the second says an even number or a multiple of 3. Now, we are being told that a two-digit number, so two-digit number, that is 10 is a two-digit number, 11, so from 10 all the way to, but it says less than 30 all the way to 29. So our sample space, two-digit number, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, 01, this is not a two-digit number, that's just a digit number. 09, this is not. So two-digit, 10 is a two-digit number. Now, so this is our sample space. So what is our number of sample space? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is just equal to 20. Now, we are being told that find the probability that a number selected will be a prime number. Now, probability is number of events all over number of sample space. So first, let's find event. So the first one says that it should be a prime number. So the first one, you can see that let A be that particular event of being a prime number. So let's come out with the prime numbers. 10 is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Prime numbers have only two factors, one in the number itself. We have 13 as a prime number. 14 is not, 15 is not, 16 is not, 17 is a prime number. 18 is not, 19 is a prime number. 20 not, 21 not, 22 not, 23 is a prime number. 24 not, 25 not, 26 not, 27 not, 28 not, and then 29 is a prime number. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of events is equal to 6. So the probability that it is a prime number is, that is number of events all over number of sample space. So we have 6 all over 20. Number of sample space is 20. Now 2 will go into 6, 3, 2 will go into 20, 10. So we have our answer to be 3 over 10. Very, very trivial. For an in-depth revision on probability, visit my YouTube channel for a wonderful lesson on probability. Now let's see the second one. The second one says that an even number or a multiple of 3. So for even number, you can see that let M be the event of even numbers. So the even numbers, we can have 10 is an even number. We have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and then 28. These are the even numbers. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our number of M is equal to 10, or a multiple of 3. Now let N denote the multiple of 3. So the first one is 12, and then 15, 18, we have 21, 24, and then we have 27. These are the multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of N is equal to 6. Now let's see, is there intersection between them? Now let's find M and intersection N. Let's see if we can get some of them being common. Yes, 12 is common to them, 18, and then 24. Therefore, number of M intersection N, this is equal to 3. Now, I want to find the probability that a number selected will be an even number or a multiple of 3. So probability of what? Even number, or that's union, a multiple of 3. And this, we have to use the addition law of probability, which is what? P of M plus P of N minus P of M intersection N. This is not mutually exclusive. Why? M intersection N is not empty, so it's not mutually exclusive. Now, what is a P of M? Number of events over number of sample space. So what do you have? That is 10 all over the sample space, which is what? 20. Plus, now what is P of N? P of N is giving us 6 all over 20. Number of events, 6. Number of sample space, that's 20. Minus, that is M intersection N. So that's what P of that 3. Number of events is 3. And then all over the sample space. And this is what? 20. So when we work out this, the LCM are the same. So 10 plus 6, that is 16 minus 3. So we have 13 all over 20. Very, very trivial. Don't forget to subscribe. And then for an in-depth revision on probability, kindly visit my YouTube channel for a wonderful lesson. No pain, no gain.